The mortgage process feels easier when you have experts on your side. RichmondCustomHomes.com. Financing a custom home build usually starts with a construction loan, which releases funds in stages as your home is built, instead of one lump sum. Lenders look closely at your credit score, income, debt, and the builder you choose, because new construction carries more moving parts than buying an existing home. Many buyers opt for a construction to permanent loan, which converts into a traditional mortgage once construction is complete, saving you from reapplying and paying closing costs twice. You'll also want to plan for upfront expenses like land costs, permits, and reserves. With the right loan structure and expert guidance, building a custom home can be a smooth, well-planned process instead of a stressful one. For more info, Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 11106478042128663, Dwayne at coast2coastmall.com, and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.